Here's my video of the day. Me abusing my cat. Come here. I'm going to smack you right in the kisser. She doesn't even flinch. There's something wrong with her. Who's my girl? Who's my girl? Are you my girl? Are you my girl? You're my lover girl? Huh? Can I beat your butt? Beat your butt? Do you like that? Huh? You do. You do. What if I strangle you to death? Ah. Ah. Kill the cat. Maybe she's a Pokemon. Are you a Pokemon, Pebbles? You gonna pop in the ball or whatever? Are you gonna pop in the ball? She's definitely a good baby. This is a 1,000,000-mile cat. Over a 1,000,000-mile cat. She's got more miles on her than most people drive in their life. Yeah, she's seen more things than most people have ever seen. She used to sit on the dash and watch the countryside. Now she doesn't do that. She thinks she's seen it all. Yes, she does. Oh. Do you want to fight? Look at that tail go. Do you want to fight? Beat that tail. Oh. You like that tail? You gonna pull your tail off? Pull your tail off, huh? Can I pull that tail off of that girl? Oh, yes. Anyway, there's some love time with my cat. Yeah, no, I'll ignore her. Isn't that right? Ignore her for the rest of the night. Yes. Okay, bye-bye.